Welcome to your iPECS 1 introductory video. If you haven't already set up your iPECS 1 client, please contact your telephony provider. To log into iPECS 1, open a Google Chrome browser and enter the URL for iPECS 1. You will then come to the Sign In page, where you can log in with your own username, credentials and password. When you first enter iPECS 1, you'll be presented with the home screen. To make some changes to your profile, click on the Profile button on the top right of the screen. Here you have the option to edit your profile by clicking the Edit button. You can upload a picture of yourself for your profile, or you can use this menu to change or remove a picture. If you remove your profile picture, you'll be displayed as your initials. You can set a status message. For example, you can say that you're away at lunch. You can also enter your job title here. This profile section also allows you to change your presence. You can display if you are online and ready to communicate, if you are busy, or if you need not to be disturbed. Setting yourself to Do Not Disturb means that no calls can be received. You can also change if you would like to receive notifications, set a call forward, reject anonymous calls, and view the main settings. From the main settings, you are presented with a variety of options, such as Device Management, which displays all other iPECS 1 devices which are using your credentials. The Profile Settings section allows you to see any files that you have shared over chat, and you can also log out from here as well.